All right, hello everybody. This is Miles Skipper here again, coming to you live from InfoComm 2026, and I'm here to tell you about our Pixera 2 Gen 2. This is the workhorse of our fleet. This is one of the more customizable servers on the market. It is capable of 4x4K at 60 frames per second. It has the newest generation of Blackwell 4000 GPU unit, and it will do up to 13 layers of notch LC playback. Much like all of our servers, this is customizable for your live events, your fixed installations, your booths, your traveling shows, or something that you just need to work. It's available in a la carte options, or it's available as a corporate server. This is our newest addition to the fleet. It is designed specifically to be a live event workhorse. When you need playback in sync across multiple 4K outputs, it can operate as a standalone machine or as part of a fleet with as many servers as you want. We recently did a show. It's 128,000 by 2880 pixels wide. It was something like 44 4K outputs, including full redundancy and backup. It's available in a standard, a corporate, or a RS. RS lives in the tour world. They all have a lot of options. Sync, storage, performance upgrades on a CPU or GPU. If you have any questions, you can find more information at Pixera.one. You can also reach out to us directly, Miles at avstumpflusa.com. Thank you.